Welcome back to Inspire AI, the podcast where we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming our world. Not someday, but right now. I'm your host, Jason McGinty, and in today's episode, we're diving into something both thrilling and a little uncomfortable. What if coding as we know it is going away? Well, not entirely, but two of the biggest voices in the AI world, Andrej Karpathy and Chris Lattner, believe that traditional software development is undergoing a seismic shift. In the future, it might look more like prompting, orchestration, and collaboration with intelligent agents than typing out lines of Python or Java. Let's explore why and what it means for you. I'd like to start with the big idea. Karpathy, former Tesla AI director and lead, and founding member of OpenAI, coined the phrase Software 3.0. It's the idea that instead of writing software line by line, we train models. We describe what we want in natural language, and the AI figures out how to get there. Chris Lattner, the creator of Swift and LLVM, adds that our role as developers will shift dramatically. Instead of being coders, we'll become system-level thinkers, validating, refining, and curating what AI creates. The new interface for programming isn't syntax, it's language. Just like assembly gave way to higher-level languages, we're now stepping into a world where human intent becomes the primary input. So how do developers fit in? If you're a developer, this might make you nervous. You've spent years learning languages, mastering frameworks, and debugging logic. But here's the good news. Your experience doesn't go away. It becomes even more important. These new technologies aren't going to replace you. They're going to amplify you. In the new world, your role evolves from writing functions to designing outcomes, from fixing bugs to guiding AI toward better decisions, from how do I code this to how do I explain what I want clearly. The AI becomes your junior developer, but one that needs a very sharp senior engineer, you, to make sure it doesn't mess everything up. There's a lot of wisdom to be shared here, and here's the part nobody talks enough about. Those who can truly harness AI to write reliable, secure, high-quality code, they can only do so because they've spent years writing terrible code first. They've made mistakes. They've learned what makes code efficient, secure, and maintainable. They've debugged production issues at 2 a.m. and studied the consequences of poor design. So when an LLM hands them 50 lines of generated code, they don't just take it at face value. They ask, is this performant? Is this safe? Will this scale? And they can answer those questions because, hey, they know what good code looks like. That's the irony. AI is going to make programming more accessible than ever, but experience is now the ultimate superpower. Here's what the future looks like in practice. Picture it. You describe a user workflow out loud. I want to collect user emails, tag them based on behavior, and send a follow-up if they don't respond in 24 hours. The AI builds it, the logic, the interface, the automation. All you did was describe your intention. These new tools are already here. Visual builders like Glide, Make, Webflow, agentic IDEs that generate full applications like Cursor, in tools like GPT-4o that see, hear, speak, and code. And the people roles are shifting too. AI orchestrators who manage tool chains and agent behavior, prompt designers who define logic in human language, low-code leaders who build real products with drag-and-drop blocks plus AI layers. You don't need a CS degree to create anymore. You just need clear vision and the right tools. Now here's the best part. You don't have to wait to be ready. You don't have to learn how to code first. You don't even need to know what YAML or regex means. You could start building with AI right now, and we want to help you. That's why we're launching the low code, no code cohort through AI Ready RVA. This is a hands-on, beginner-friendly, wildly empowering experience for anyone who wants to create with AI, no matter your background. You'll build real tools using platforms like Zapier, ChatGPT, Notion, Make, and Lovable. You'll learn how to describe your goals to AI in ways that get real results. You'll leave with an understanding of how to build projects you're proud of, even if you've never written a line of code in your life. This cohort is going to be perfect entry point for creatives of all kinds, entrepreneurs, educators, students, small business owners, and yes, you, the curious minds who want to explore what's possible. In this new world, you don't have to be a coder to be a creator. You just have to be someone with an idea and a willingness to build. So here's your call to action. Visit AIReadyRVA.com to learn more and get ready for the launch of our low-code, no-code cohort. Let's build together tools, apps, automations, and dreams. Because the future of programming isn't about gatekeeping knowledge. It's about sharing power. Thanks for joining me today on Inspire AI, brought to you by AI Ready RVA. Join us in our journey and mission to imagine, to create, and to ensure RVA stays future ready with AI.